making a house. We have an idea with the car. I'm trying to build a place where you can draw the book. I'm making Valentine's flowers. I came up with doing some beads on the stick and around the flower. This part is binding some beads and gluing them on. We're making a porridge with worms and black widows. Making stew. See that? Because we're doing what the person. Yeah, we're making alien stew. We put heaps of things in it, including black widow. They're one of the most dangerous spiders in the world. Watermelon, some seeds, worms, bark, a cicada shell. We hammered some nails against this, and then we cut this kind of door open with some cardboard. Oh my god, it's right. Having that army competition is way worse than. And robots and humans. They asked if we want to play and they said yes. He's the black man. He's the black man. He's got two widows. I was building this. These are like little chairs. This is like a water fountain. And here's like the entry kind of arch thing. I've been trying to make a Minecraft person out of Lego, and I tried to copy one of the persons on the Minecraft game. The best part is that it inspired me to make a Lego Minecraft person.